Right, so kule lesson le guys so besibuka ukuthi ke iziphi ezinye indlela ezikhona zokucalculate i-gradient yakho for different situations, okay? So our first class besibuka nje the traditional way yokuyibala mawukuthi you are given at least two coordinates, right? So you've got 2 points and then bese kuthiwa bala i-gradient yakho, okay? Right, cool. So sometimes guys kuyokwenzeka kube ukuthi unikezwe two lines which are said to be parallel to one another, okay? So parallel ke usho ukuthini now? Parallel usho ukuthi ke labo line labo indlela yabo yokwehlela noma indlela yabo yokwenyukela iyafana. So in other words, i-steepness sabo siyafana, okay? But sokhumbula ke thina ukuthi sithe i-gradient by definition i-degree yokwehlela noma yokwenyukela kuka line othile, okay? So in other words, uma ngabe ke kuukuthi utsheliwe ukuthi ke olayini behlela ngendlela efanayo noma benyukela ngendlela efanayo, uyakhona ukuthi bala i-gradient yalo munye ulayini onganikeziwe ama coordinates yawo by actually using ama coordinates alo munye line. So siyabona kule simo le kuthiwa determine the gradient of line EC. So nango line EC ama coordinates akhona asinawo. But however uzonotice ukuthi ke uline EC uparallel to line DB. But kukuthi ama coordinates sinawo ku line DB. So therefore to determine the gradient of line EC, what you're going to do is, so this is okay, our gradient of line DB rather, okay, it will be equal to change in y over change in x. Let's denote it quickly. X1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, then our y2 is therefore equal to a -1, so by no -1, so we say minus the formula, and then y1 way2 bani 9 all over, then x2 way2 by x2 way2 2 minus, and then bese we negative we formula, right? Bese into x1 way2 bani -1, okay? Then sibe no -1 -9 or -10 loyo all over size la negative times negative uqala because we fanele sisuse bracket iqala bese siba no positive, and then bese size 2 plus 1 uba loyo u3, okay? So i-gradient yethu ka line DB ubani u -10 over 3. I-negative uline uyehlela uya happy. So therefore because line DB nako parallel to line EC, therefore i-gradient ka line EC nayo izolingana nobani no -10 over 3, guys. Okay, that's yabona ke la ukuthi ke makuthi you given two lines ba parallel to one another, ama coordinates alo munye nawo, you can therefore use ama coordinates alo munye ukubala i-gradient yamuphi yalo munye ulayini, okay? Right guys, so I'm going to let you guys try this one at home. Sibone ukuthi iyenzeka yini. So you can pause the video at this stage, attempt it, okay? Then musuqedile bese uyaqhubeka uyadlala sibone ukuthi uyitholile yini, okay? Alright, cool. So again we are told ukuthi ke uline DB is parallel to line EC. So it means i-degree yabo yokwehlela noma yokwenyukela injani iyafana, okay? So let me just point my arrows upwards rather. Okay, so line DB no line EC indlela yokwehlela kwaba noma yenyukela injani iyafana, okay? So says okay man, because kunjena ke therefore we can use gradient kabani ka DB to calculate gradient kabani ka EC. So therefore gradient of line DB will be equal to change in y, okay, over change in x, okay? So therefore this will be equal to, so qala ke denote, right? So we've got our x1, our y1, our x2, and then our y2, guys, okay? So y2 way2 bani u1, okay, so by no 1 minus y1 way2, so okay, y1 way2 is actually 5, so this is -5 all over x2 way2 bani u2, okay, x2 way2 u2 minus low formula, and then x1 way2 bani u3, guys, okay? So this will be equal to 1 minus 5 is a -4 all over 2 minus 3 sibe no bani no -1, okay? So therefore negative divided by negative bese kuba bani +4 ants, okay? So i-gradient kabani ka BD, okay, okanye DB ubani u4, and uline wethu njani uyanyukela in terms of i-steepness, okay? Should therefore so conclude ke sithi ke ne gradient ka line bani EC nayo, okay, izolingana nobani izolingana no 4 respectively, okay? Reason is because labo line banjani ba parallel, guys, okay? So therefore kuyokwenzeka kube ukuthi unikezwe one line with coordinates, the other one with none, or maybe with one. Bese uba ukuthi kuthiwa calculate i-grade kabani ka line EC. Okay, so